Hello students, I welcome you all to our English online class part 2. Unit 17, The Maze. Lesson number 2, Words, Shapes. You can see this lesson in our textbook Oxford Progressive English, page number 85. I request you all, please open our textbook, page number 85. Page number 85, here it is. You can see Unit 17, Lesson number 2, Words, Shapes. We are going to do the exercise number 1. Listen to your teacher and find the shapes. Then listen again and repeat. Children, you can see 6 shapes here. Now, we are going to learn one by one. The first is a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, a semicircle, and oval shape. I hope all of you familiar with all these 6 shapes. Now, I am going to give you some clues to find the pictures. Are you ready? Yes, thank you. Find these shapes. The first clue is find a football stadium. Find a football stadium. This is an oval shape. Students, all of you please check all these 6 pictures and find out which one is an oval football stadium. Yes, the 6th one is the answer. This is an oval football stadium. My next clue is find a dinner plate. Find a dinner plate. This is a circle. Yes, 4th one is the answer. This is a circle dinner plate. The next clue is find a swimming pool. Find a swimming pool. This is a rectangle. Yes, 2nd one is the answer. This is a rectangle swimming pool. The next clue is find an outdoor theatre. Find an outdoor theatre. This is a semicircle. Semicircle means half of a circle. Look at the pictures. Yes, the 5th one is a semicircle outdoor theatre. My next clue is find a park. Find a park. This is in the shape of a triangle. Yes, 3rd one is the answer. This is a triangle park. Finally, find a playground. Find a playground. This is a square. Yes, the first one is the answer. This is a square playground. I hope all of you understood all these pictures and its shapes. Now it's time to review. The first picture, a square playground. Second one, a rectangle swimming pool. A triangle park. A circle dinner plate. A semicircle outdoor theatre. And the last one, an oval football stadium. I hope all of you understood and please practice and learn the spellings. Now, let's move on to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, ask and answer as in the examples. There are 2 examples given for you. The first one, what shape is a pancake? How many of you like pancakes? Yes, everyone likes pancakes. What is the shape? It's a circle. Now, second example. What shape is a clock? All of you look at the clock in your house and find out the shape. Which shape is it? Yes, it can be a square or a circle. Now, you can see many more items here. There are 4 items: food, places, things, and parts of buildings. In each item, many examples are given here. Let's discuss one by one. Food. Pancake. We already discussed pancake. It's a circle shape. Now, egg. Students, look at this slide. What shape is an egg? An egg is an oval shape. What shape is a biscuit? You may experience different shaped biscuits. A biscuit can be a rectangle, a square, a circle, or a triangle. What shape is a table? A table can be a square, an oval, a rectangle, or a circle. What shape is a window? A window can be a square, a rectangle, or a circle. All of you, please check your house windows and find its shapes. Finally, what shape is an arch? An arch is a semicircle. An arch is a semicircle. Semicircle means half of a circle. I hope all of you understood this exercise number 2. Now let's move on to exercise number 3. Point to things in the classroom. Students, instead of classroom, you point the things at home and make the sentences given below. The example given here, I can see a circle that's made of glass and plastics. The thing is a clock. In this way, you find things at home and make sentences about it. And practice with your brothers and sisters and make fun for them. Our last exercise is number 4. Say the words and underline the silent letters. Say the words and underline the silent letters. Then write the words on the correct lines. Students, look at the box. There are many words. Now we are going to check its pronunciation. Here you can see W, the red color letter. W is silent when you pronounce the word right. The next word, debt. In this word, B is silent. I request you all, please underline B in your book. Night. G and H are silent. Half. L is silent. Talk. L is silent. Please underline L. Fight. G and H are silent. Please underline GH. Could. L is silent. Wrong. W is silent here. Light. G and H are silent. Please underline. The next word is writer. In this word, W is silent. Would. L is silent. Should. L is silent. The next word is palm. Here, L is silent. Next word, climb. B is silent. Whole. W is silent. Calm. L is silent. Who. W is silent. Doubt. B is silent. I request you all, please underline the red color letters in your book. Once again, I repeat and please learn the pronunciation of these words. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Right. Debt. Night. Half. Talk. Fight. Could. Wrong. Light. Writer. Would. Should. Palm. Climb. Whole. Calm. Who. Doubt. I hope all of you understood all these words and learned its pronunciations. Children, I hope all of you underline the silent letters in this box. Now our next task is write the words on the correct lines. That means there are 4 lines given below. The first line for silent W words, second line silent B words, silent L words for the third line, the last line for silent GH words. So choose the correct words from this box and write it on the line. Please do it. I hope all of you finish. Now it's time to check your answers. Look at this slide. You can see silent W words here. There are 5 words. The first one, right, W silent. Wrong, W silent. Writer, W silent. Hall, W silent. Who, W silent. Yes. Now, second line. This is the line for silent B words. Det, B is silent. Doubt, B is silent. Climb, B is silent. There are 3 words. How many of you get these 3 words? Yes, good. Now, we are going to check silent L words. There are many words. The first one, half, talk, could, would, should, palm, calm. Please check your answers. Now, the last line, silent GH. There are 3 words, night, fight, light. I hope all of you did it correctly. Students, exercise number 1, please practice and learn the spellings of these shapes. Number 2, find the shapes of these things. In exercise number 3, look at the things at home. Make sentences and practice with your siblings. Finally, the 4th one, read and learn the phonics words given in the box. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed the lesson. Take care and thank you.